Today is Tuesday, January 27, 2026. We're coming up to Ronkonkoma. We've got a little bit of a surprise here as we have New York and Atlantic RS-71 about to come into view here. It's right now being held by the electric train that's going to be going out to Penn Station. RS-71's got a couple GP38-2s leading this consist. As we have this consist going into the yard here at Ronkonkoma. We're watching train 1956 going into the yard here at Ronkonkoma. Looks like he is holding for some apparent reason. He went and then he stopped. Don't know if they're having switch trouble. Yeah, lo and behold, here comes RS-71 here. Time is 3:07. GP38-2, 271 leading, 261 with it. Cars on this consist going west. Alright, we're at Pine Road here. I'm just watching RS-71 going by here. Time now 3:13.